farm tour. Hi friends, this is Devish and I'm excited to go to the farm tour. The name of the farm is Melgiri. Now we are here. This is our destination. This is the playground and it has so many trees. It looks like a farm. There's so many tamarind trees and this is the park. It is super pleasant and it is like an forest. There is the gate to go outside the playground. Can you find me? I'm going in the slide. It's time to go in the slide. This is the tamarind tree. There will be tamarinds. Can you see? These are all buffaloes. There are two arms which take care of the farm as a security. Now we are going to visit more plants. Can you see those cranes over there? Now we are going to the lady's finger plants farm. This is the lady's fingers. I have some drawer grains. I am sewing them. Me and Tani also. Don't forget about my Tani friend. Now we are plugging lady's finger. Don't forget about Tani. She's my friend. You know her. We had so much fun and enjoyed plugging lady's finger. That is my favorite of the part in the farm. So nice. These are all the leafy vegetables. We plugged 3 types of leafy vegetables. I found 2 leafy vegetables first. One is spinach, one is these are all the leafy vegetables. This is a mango tree. This is a big feather. This is the rice farms. We took a photo. It's big. We are doing a corn party. He's making corn for us, which is hot corn. We are waiting for the corn. I'm eating corn. It is very tasty. Yummy in my tummy. I'll show you the play area now. This is an hammock. I'm swinging in the hammock. I want to get down. I'm so dizzy. I'm climbing an hard soil of a big rock, it looks like. I'm on the top. Yay, I did it. I'm doing the merry-go-round. Merry-go-round, round, 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 round. It is not nice to go in the merry-go-round. Now I'm doing the swing. It is also not nice. It is like swinging down, up. When I'm going up, it's going like I'm falling that side, and when I go down, it's like going down like I'm falling this side. Now let's go climb the soil. I don't want to climb the soil. My favorite, it's the, I don't know what it's called. I'm just kidding, it's a seesaw. Playing seesaw with friends is so much fun, and I am trying to take Dani down and never get her up. Dani is also doing the same to me. Silly me. Silly Dani now. She's not even making me up. It's time for slider time. It's my favorite time for night. I touched the plant. Yay. Sorry, tree. Now it's Tani's turn. Tani did it. Come on, Tani. Come on. She came there. Oh, oopsie. She didn't touch it. I tried to climb on this branch. Now I'm swinging in the nice sleeping swing. Funny name for this swing. I said, come Tani to swing, but I locked her. I blocked her. Now she can't just stay, get on it. This is more bigger than the before swing. Wait, you can see after the camera comes near to it. We can like sit 4 small children and 3 big people. In the before one, we can sit 2 big ones and 3 small children. I am climbing on the side one. Tani can't actually climb with her small legs. I'm sitting in this thing which I am falling. It's actually falling when I'm sitting. I think 2 people should sit. One on the back, one on the front. This is very small for me. I want to kick it. Can I kick it? We are both sleeping in the swing. Now it's time for again swinging. This play is so much fun. Before I didn't went any day. This is my dad. This is me on the tree. I was on the tree. Tan is also on the tree. Now we are in a temple, which there is nothing. Only the God statues on only there. I plugged one.
Banana tree.
This is a banana tree. I saw some bananas when. Can you see the bananas just right there? We are in the bullock cart with no bulls. This is the wheelbarrow. Tan is sitting on it. I can't actually lift her. This is me sitting on the wheelbarrow. I'm looking at my dad. Tani can't lift me. Tani is actually weaker than me. We are on tractors. We are going for a tractor ride. We are going on a bullock cart right now. Now it's starting. The bulls are already here again. I want to go to a bullock cart ride. Can you see my car? It's just right there. Now it's time to go in the bullock cart ride, and now I'm going. This is how we enjoyed in the farm tour. Bye bye. See you next time. If you want to go, link is in the description. Bye guys. See you next time. Bye guys.